This video will show you how to install the premium headlight accessory on a RadCity 4. The process will be the same for most models. You will need 3 and 5mm Allen wrenches, 8 and 10mm wrenches, a torque wrench with a 5mm Allen bit, the premium headlight from Rad Power Bikes. If you'd like to remove the rock guard, you will also need a Phillips head screwdriver. Start by getting the bike ready for maintenance. Turn off the bike and remove the battery. Discharge remaining power. Locate and unplug the headlight connector. Pull each side of the connector directly apart without twisting. Uninstall the existing headlight using a 5mm Allen wrench and a 10mm wrench. Set the hardware aside. It will be used to install the premium headlight. Store the old headlight for later use or recycle according to local rules. Locate the premium headlight. If you'd like to remove the optional rock guard from the front of the light, tilt the headlight upwards and use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the rock guard bolt. Gently remove the rock guard and store it for future use or recycle the part according to local rules. Reinstall the bolt and tighten securely. Do not over-tighten. Prepare the mounting hardware. Pass the bolt through a washer, the fender mounting point, if installed, the headlight mount, and the fork. On the other side of the fork, pass the second washer over the bolt end and thread on the lock nut by hand. Use a 5mm Allen wrench and a 10mm wrench to tighten the bolt securely and torque to 6 Nm. To adjust the headlight angle, use a 3mm Allen wrench and an 8mm wrench to loosen the headlight angle adjustment bolt. Adjust the headlight downward so it won't blind oncoming traffic, then tighten the bolt securely. To plug in the headlight, locate the connector ends and line up the internal notch and pins and external arrows and press directly together without twisting. Reinstall the battery, test the bike fully before riding, and ride rad.